such a value addition as well. Came in and made an impact. Right, seconds away from the start of the final. Here we go. Toss won by Quetta Gladiators. They've elected to bowl, and Sohail Tanvir is coming in to bowl to Kamran Akmal. It's straight to the man at point, and overthrows already.
Gives himself too much room. Tries to hit it too hard to no effect.
It's one up in the air, so this is going to be an early exit. Early exit, it's taken by Ahmed Shahzad. Here's the first strike for the Gladiators. Oh, that's close. That is close. Not given. Sarfraz there is asking his bowler, what's happening? He had covered the stumps, I think. Sarfraz. Beautifully played by Kamran Akmal. Just a tap. Didn't muscle it. Earned a 4. 9 for 1.
हो जाए मुकाबला एक को धोएंगे आपके पाउडर से.
It was classic.
Yeah, giving himself a lot of room this time, knowing that they're targeting the stumps. It's too full, though. The length is too full, Rambo. You got to drag that back. You got
14 runs and gone. The Zingers have lit up. He has the last laugh. Brilliant ball to get rid of Kamran Akmal. Amongst his many wickets in T20 cricket, DJ Bravo starts out with a slow ball that goes into the gap for 4. Risty from Shoaib Maqsood. Beautiful to watch when he is in such form.
well, must.
Now, I'm not sure how much distance he's got with this. Oh, it's a great. Picks it up. It's a fraction short, and it's 4. Strong. Bit too much width on offer this time, and that's gone. Oh, Hasnain can't stop it. You're looking to accelerate. Oh, that's the soft ball, the one that dips, and it's gone. A little bit on the short side, and this is going. It's going over that turf. It's 4.
Yeah, tough for Fawad Ahmed. You think he's going to
Plot, boys. That's gone for 6. What a great shot that is. He picked up the length so early and crashed it over the rope. Need to play through the offside and use the field. That's gone up in the air. He's not even looking at it. This is a monster 6. He's turning it on. Umar Amin is finding the fence regularly now. There's the pull shot and got it. Sohail Tanvir is being tested. He takes it. Good catch. It's an excellent catch. Gladiator
runs from just 22 balls striking at just a quiet little 272.22. So here they go to lock horns again. Oh, leg buys, didn't come off the bat, but the 100 comes up here with an extra.
Yeah, the 100's up. The yellow in the crowd, they've got something to cheer about. Went off, and it's literally 3 meters away, but he's got no chance of hauling this in.
Well, Maz has just told me it is the first boundary and 30 delivery. Long off, long on, straight mid-wicket and deep backward square on the fence on the leg side. Third man is back on the offside. Beautifully bowled, yeah, little tickle. It's all over for Pollard in the final with bat in hand.
What a comeback from the young man, Hasnain. He's just been pummeled down the ground for 4. Was wondering how he'd respond. Fantastic. Good pace. Good.
Has it gone all the way? Oh, it's been shelled! Are you kidding me? Left arm orthodox all-rounder out of the playing 11 again. That sounded very sweet, and is! Bravo with the foot. Short, no one back there. One bounce over the road, desperately. Last ball. No third man, and that flashing blade just swats it downtown. Oh no, look out. That is not very smart cricket at all. Final over.